using just pieces of wood.
If you look at the branch of this elderberry, this is really long and thin, and this actually gives me a whole nother way of making fire, which I can use later. I'm just scraping this last little bit of shavings out of the inner bark of this cedar, and I can add to this tinder bundle. And this is a vital bit of a fire. I want to really break this up and get it really light and fluffy, and it's this that I'm eventually going to tip the embers into here to try and get the flame going. But now this is the meat of it, trying to get the ember to spark this. And all I'm using is this little branch that I got off the elderberry bush and this little bit of base wood. And this always requires a certain amount of patience.
And it takes me loads of goes.
It's knackering. And once you have the spindle pop out, it's like you're back to square one every time. And my arms are just burning now. Right, smoke you.
To make an ember, friction must heat the elderberry branch to 800 degrees Fahrenheit.
And once it's smoking like this, I need to just keep it going for a couple more goes, and then I'll have a coal. You can see it just coming out of the notch there. Here we go, it's smoking. I'm going to put that straight into the bundle. And here we go, get that in there.
Now to get my rabbit ready for cooking.
वही अल्लाह है जिसने तुम्हारे लिए सब तरह से आग पैदा कर दी, जिससे तुम यकायक आग सुलगाते हो। बचपन से मुझे समझ नहीं आता था, लेकिन ये वीडियो देख के समझ आई कि कैसे सब तरह से आग सुलगाई गई।